Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hello. If you're a returning subscriber, hi. Thank you guys so much for joining today's episode of DIY. This is actually the first episode of DIYs, but I figured I was just since I'm in quarantine and I cannot be really going out and doing facials and all that, I was going to try doing a facial skincare routine for myself. And so I'm going to be using products that are mainly just found inside the house. Honestly, it's like things that I have here, things that you guys can definitely have in your kitchen. I am so sure that you guys will have these things in your kitchen. First off, I'm going to be doing some facial steaming because facial steaming will actually help open up my clogged pores, and this will also loosen up the buildup of dirt and also my blackheads, because I'm going to try and remove some of those as well. It'll actually try and promote circulation on my face and all that good stuff, and just it's gonna be overall just soft and actually quite easy. So I'm gonna facially steam my face, also using some eucalyptus oil because I love the scent. And yes, okay, after that I am going to do a facial exfoliation scrub using these products right over here. I don't know if you guys can see that. I actually have plain yogurt in here. I have brown sugar, and then I've also got some turmeric. So with the turmeric, I am aware that it is going to lighten up the pigmentations on my face, because turmeric also carries some antioxidants and some really good inflammatory antioxidants that'll help rejuvenate my skin and also reduce the excess reproduction of the melanin, which causes the pigmentation. I don't know if you guys are going to see that. Please look at this, okay? Please look at this. Can you see the unevenness on my skin? It is so terrible. I'm so scared. And then I'm also going to be using these egg whites before they fall off, and a drop of some few lemons inside that, using some toilet paper to do a peel off face mask. You guys are going to enjoy that one as well. This will also help because the lemon juice is going to help absorb the excess oil and lighten up my skin, and the egg whites will actually help tighten up my pores and give it a natural collagen boost. That is also really going to be helpful. I'm not really sure if I'm actually saying everything that I'm supposed to say right about these properties. And then after that, I am going to use some natural pure raw shea butter to moisturize and rejuvenate my skin. I'm not really going in with any products that are chemical, nothing fancy like that, but I'm actually hoping that this is going to help give my face a new clean finish, Since I'm going to be in the house for quite a while, I'm going to try almost as much as anything. So right here, I have my hot water. Don't know if you guys can see the steam. I actually let it just cool down a little bit because, wow, girl can't burn the face. Just a few drops of my eucalyptus oil. And then I'm going to grab the towel, and then I'm going to cover my face and steam it up for like 5 minutes. And after that, I'm going to come back and we will go over. Yay! I'm back! I can actually feel my pores opening up. Like, it is so refreshing. This is one of the most refreshing things I do almost every day. Like, I've actually tried to make sure that I do this now and again, and make sure that my skin keeps the flow. This is beautiful. Like, it feels so rejuvenated. Okay, so now I'm just going to damp my face out with the towel, and I'm going to be using I don't know what this tool is called. I don't know the name of this tool, but I can show you that it will do the work that is meant to do and try and help me remove the pores off of my face. Now that you guys can see my skin is irritated and it feels really, really weird, I am going to go and take that face mask right there. And I'm just gonna mix it up with a brush because I feel like it just blends really easy and well together if I'm using a brush. This is what I right now have. And now I'm going to just apply this onto my face. Like so. I'm gonna use my hands to just try and exfoliate this all around the skin, using the sugar granules to help me with that. Okay, before it starts getting too dilute. Okay. You can actually feel the sugar granules scrubbing my face, which is really nice and light, so there's actually no irritation at all. And you know, then I'm just gonna apply a whole lot more onto the skin. I need to clean my hands real quick. Okay. Be extra careful of the turmeric. Gosh, it leaves such a stain. Okay, I'm gonna give this like a good 10 minutes on my face and then wash it off, and then I'm going to move on to the egg white and lemon tissue mask. Alright, see you guys on the flip side. Okay, we're back from the turmeric face mask, and now we are going to move on to the next mask today. I'm going to take these egg whites, which I have already put in a few drops of my lemon juice in it, and now I am going to grab a brush, and then I'm going to start applying the tissue mask onto my face. I'm going to show you guys how to do that in just about a sec. Okay, so basically what's supposed to happen, it actually works easier this way so that there's less gooey stuff falling off anywhere and everywhere. Is just that have a good clean makeup brush and then your tissue, and then you could just have the solution that you're going to be using right in front of you. And what you basically do is just dip the brush in, and then put the tissue onto your face in that section where you're going to put it on. And then what you basically do is just place it down with the brush. Okay, that's it. It's that simple. It's easier if you guys already have your tissue set out and done and ready. So while I was on my other face mask, I took some time to, you know, separate tissues and whatnot. So Now that your face is... Now I feel really stupid. What I can try and do at this point, because I realized that my face is actually quite dry. I actually won't, excuse me, I won't be speaking for a while now after I do this. I am just, excuse me, gosh, what is wrong with me? Okay, now that the face is dry, we're just gonna try and peel off the tissue from the face. And also, I don't know if you guys can see that, but my lips are really exfoliated and they kind of feel really smooth and soft. As much as I can't move the muscles around my face, but I could definitely feel them. Yes, I can't move my eyebrows, but they're moving as well. So better to start right at the back. It's not going to be that painful, honestly. It's just going to be a little stinging, slightly stinging. Honestly, there's no actual, you know, unbearable pain. It just stings maybe just because of the hair, but your face is definitely feeling it at some point. Right. You guys see that? Can you guys already see that? Soft, plumpy, bright looking, good skin. Wait, what? I am so impressed. So right now I'm just gonna take my shea butter and then I'm just gonna try and just moisturize my face and give it like a proper lock-in moisture. This shea butter is actually quite raw, so it's actually really hard, like a consistency is really thick, and you kind of have to just press it in to your skin and all that. But it does really soften up once it gets into your skin, because your skin is quite warm. So that facial didn't even cost me a cent. I worked with products that I had inside my home and I gave myself beautiful, clean skin. I don't know if you guys can see that, but wow! I missed this phase. Honestly, I'm gonna do it again in the next 2 days just to see how the results are gonna be. Maybe I'm gonna give you guys an update when the week ends. Probably with one of the tutorials that I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you guys how the results came through. But wow, I'm actually quite impressed with what DIY home facials can do. You guys could really check this one out. If you did enjoy this video, thank you so much. Give it a like, comment in the section below, and share it with your friends. Like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for loving my content, and yeah, I appreciate each and every one of you, and I hope that for the next couple of quarantine days, I'm gonna be able to give you guys a whole lot more content than just, you know, me. But thank you guys so much for watching. Coming back again for the next video. Thank you. Bye.